LinkedIn is a social media platform rarely used by network marketers to build their businesses. And sadly, those who are working on it are often using an approach that's counterproductive. Now, why do I say that? Because I've looked at their LinkedIn profiles and I've been approached by a number of them. The first mistake that they're making is they're trying to speak to everyone. According to marketing guru Seth Godin, if you speak to everyone, you end up speaking to no one. So it's critical that you know who you're talking to. In this video, we'll show you how to narrow your focus in a way that will save you time, but also help you build the business that's best for you. Hi, I'm Lorna Rasmussen, and this channel is devoted to helping you build a profitable business so that you can live the life of your dreams, whatever that dream may be. For me, it's living here in Costa Rica. Make sure, if you aren't a member of our Facebook group, Women in Network Marketing from Start to Success, and I'll put a link below, make sure that you join us where you'll get even more than just these weekly videos. Let me start by asking you a question. Who is your best prospect to be a customer? Who's your best prospect to be a team member? And who's your best prospect to help you build your business? Finally, are they the same? Answering these questions is critical to your success because you can't speak to all three at the same time. And they're not the same. It is possible you can have somebody who was a happy customer, became a team member, and eventually started building a business because of something that happened in their life. But I contend that those people are unicorns, a happy accident. What are their traits and their qualities? What were their pain points and their life goals? Thinking about that's important if you had somebody like that. I'm going to use myself as an example. I was a small business owner. So when somebody approached me with something that I could use as a service in my small business, I was interested. But I was also a failing small business owner. So I also needed another source of income. And finally, I was very determined to be successful, highly motivated, and I strove for success in anything I did. So the question is, are you looking for the person who needs or would potentially want your product? Are you looking for the person who needs extra income? Or are you looking for someone who has confidence and is committed to success? All three is what I hear you saying, but the messaging that will attract each person is different. What you say to a prospect about your product and what you say to somebody who wants extra money and what you say to someone who can see themselves building a highly successful business, all very different. So who do you want to speak to? That starts with you deciding what you're trying to accomplish in your business. If it's to build a business that will give you a great lifestyle and allow you to retire in luxury, then you'll definitely want to attract that latter, the go-getter who wants to be successful for themselves, but also make, as they're successful, they'll make your business successful. Or are you looking for people who will just be customers? Or are you looking for people who want to build a little bit of a business, but they're not really serious? It's maybe a secondary income or it's something they're adding on. So once you understand your goal, you can start building your presence on social media. In fact, I would say you shouldn't start building your presence until you know. And remember, if you're talking to everyone, you are talking to no one. So the critical question is, who do you want to talk to? Who are you wanting to attract? Who are you wanting to build a relationship with? Attracting people and building relationships is time consuming. So by knowing exactly who it is, you're going to save yourself time. And the beauty of LinkedIn is that once you've made that decision, once you know who you want to talk to and you build a profile that will attract those people, you can now methodically go out and find them. The first time I had someone stop by my profile and tell me that they loved my profile in a direct message, I felt I had arrived. I had spoken to that person through my profile, and they now wanted to have a conversation with me. And wherever that conversation led, it was the beginning of my attracting my ideal clients to me rather than going and hunting them down. What an amazing experience. It just re-energized me in my business. So think outside the box and answer the questions I asked earlier. If you are not certain how to move forward, I have an exciting announcement for you. We are now offering a LinkedIn training that is specific to network marketers, although basically anyone will benefit from it. It'll cover how to successfully find that ideal client for you, how to create your profile to attract and speak to them, and then connect to them to build relationships that then turn into whatever, product sales or team members. This is one of the few times I'm going to do it live with lots of interaction and opportunities to ask questions. So click on the link below to learn more. And even if you've taken training on how to work on LinkedIn, I can assure you this is very different. You will come away with a robust understanding of how to market in general, regardless of which social media platform is your favorite. And you'll be ahead of the curve, fishing in waters where very few network marketers are in or doing it right, and you will be doing it right. So check out the information on the link below to learn more and take advantage of the early bird specials and some bonuses that I've included. They're pretty amazing. And make sure that you come back to see another video that I'll be doing next week on more about how you can benefit as a network marketer from LinkedIn.